Today we're going to make some fish structure. 60-pound bag of concrete, wheelbarrow to mix it in, source of water, mixing utensil, shovel or a hoe works good, PVC pipe cutter, a drill with a 15/16 spade bit, 3/4 inch poly pipe, impact with a driver to put in a self-tapping screw, tape measure, bucket, PVC pipe. Step 1 is to cut 30 pieces of 30-inch long, 3/4 inch poly pipe.
So then after you cut one, just use that as your tracer. So you're gonna drill 30 of these 15/16 holes into the bucket for your pipe to go into. And after you put them through, I'm gonna put a little screw in there so that way the concrete has something to hold it with. So that way when we put concrete in there, it'll catch and can't just pull out.
Where is the other one? They'll go in here, they'll go vertical, so that gives it some vertical structure as well as around the base. There'll be 6 of these in there.
So for to mention, you're gonna need 150 grit, sandpaper or whatever you have, it doesn't really matter, I guess. But just rough up the surface of it so that way the zooplankton and organisms can hold on.
So open your bag of concrete and put it in the wheelbarrow.
This is the time where you want to, you're going to have some water coming out of the holes. That's just the way it is. To adjust your deals.
You can push them in or out, whichever way you see fit. Get them down into the concrete. Well, just a little bit of concrete on them. And you can add your vertical pieces. Make sure your handle's still upwards, so that way when you lower them into the lake, you have a place to grab onto and a place to attach your rope. Ready?
Yes.